7 foods to reverse kidney damage. Your kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying your body, balancing fluids and maintaining overall health. When they're damaged, it can lead to serious complications. But did you know that some foods can actually help repair kidney damage and improve kidney function? In this video, we'll discuss 7 foods to reverse kidney damage. Adding these foods to your diet can make a significant difference in supporting kidney health and overall well-being. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this content, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Doing so helps more people discover the channel. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. Now let's dive into 7 foods to reverse kidney damage. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative damage is a major contributor to kidney issues, and including antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries can support healing. In addition to being kidney-friendly, blueberries are low in potassium and sodium, making them an ideal choice for people with kidney concerns. They also help improve blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes, a leading cause of kidney damage. Adding a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries to your diet daily can be a simple yet effective way to support kidney health. 2. Garlic. Garlic is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. It helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improves circulation, aiding in the repair of damaged kidney tissues. Garlic also helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure, 2 factors that can worsen kidney disease if left uncontrolled. Whether consumed raw, roasted, or as a seasoning, garlic offers immense benefits for overall health, especially for your kidneys. Aim to include 1 or 2 cloves of garlic in your meals daily for the best results. 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-potassium vegetable that is rich in nutrients like vitamin C, folate, and fiber. It also contains compounds like indoles and glucosinolates that help detoxify the body and reduce the burden on the kidneys. Because it's low in potassium, cauliflower is especially beneficial for individuals with kidney problems who need to manage their potassium intake. You can enjoy it steamed, roasted, or even mashed as a healthy alternative to high-carb sides like potatoes. 4. Apples. Apples are an excellent choice for kidney health. Due to their high fiber content and low potassium levels, fiber helps bind toxins in the digestive system, preventing them from reaching the kidneys and overburdening them. Apples also contain anti-inflammatory properties and natural compounds that help reduce cholesterol and blood sugar levels, further protecting the kidneys from damage. Eating 1 apple a day with the skin can provide a wide range of health benefits for your kidneys and beyond. 5. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are not only delicious but also a fantastic source of kidney-friendly nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and folic acid. They're low in potassium and sodium, making them a safe and nutritious choice for people with kidney issues. The antioxidants in red bell peppers help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation, allowing the kidneys to heal and function more effectively. Add them to salads, stir-fries, or as a crunchy snack to boost your kidney health. 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and antioxidants, which support kidney repair and overall health. They help reduce the risk of kidney stones by improving mineral balance and reducing inflammation in the urinary tract. While they're nutrient-dense, it's important to consume pumpkin seeds in moderation, especially if you have advanced kidney issues. a small handful of unsalted pumpkin seeds, can provide the nutrients you need without overloading your system. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their role in promoting urinary tract health, but they also have benefits for the kidneys. They help prevent infections and reduce inflammation by preventing harmful bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. Drinking unsweetened cranberry juice or eating fresh cranberries regularly can significantly benefit your kidneys. Conclusion: your kidneys are vital to your overall health, and incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can help reverse kidney damage and improve their function. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to the detoxifying power of cauliflower, these foods provide the nutrients your kidneys need to heal and thrive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more topics like this.